Bro, dito ka. Dalawa tayo. Dalawa to eh. Ito sa akin yung tablet. Tablet ni Mariel. Kala ko lalaki yung Mariel, babae nga pala talaga.
Oo nga no.
Good. Grabe, walang warm up yun ah. Pass to Mariel. Nice. Bruno.
Pass.
Very high.
Kaso. Delikado. Kailangan papitan sa tayo ko.
Oo nga, bawal, bawal.
2-0. Shoot by roll. Mariel dribble the ball. Pass to number 15. Pass to number 18. Drive. Pass again to number red. 3 points. No. Pass to Mariel. And no basket. Number 18. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 30. Number 30 drive. No basket. Rebound by Raul. Raul dribbling the ball. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 13. Pass again.
Kilala niya. Taga saan daw sa?
Hindi ko alam. Ngayon ko lang kilala yan. Dribble by Betamax.
Kala ko
Oops.
kilala niya talaga.
Hindi ko naman. Hey, give the ball to Mariel. 3 points. Christian.
Doktor ko, wag daw ako maglaro.
Eh,
Nakaka-recover.
Okay, pass to Mariel.
lalo ka mangina pag di mo nilaro.
Number 18, number 25. Foul.
Doktor ko, ako lang wag laro.
Eh.
Nakita ko,
Baka marami, makaka-relax ka.
sabi ng doktor ko, wag daw ako maglaro eh. Kaya lang, hindi ako nakatiis eh.
Minsan talaga yung makakain sa bahay lang eh. Okay, anticipate by Mariel. Pass to number 18. 18 shoot. Basket.
Nice shot.
Oo. Basket. 4-2.
Try kong dalawahin.
Number 18. Pass to number blue. Number 15 shoot. No. Basket. Rebound by Raul. Jemison dribble the ball. Pass to Noel. Espina. Pass to. Number 1 shoot. 6-2. Number 25. Block. By Raul. Jemisel. Basket. 8-2.
Bang!
fast break to number 19. Number 19. Pass to number 23. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 23 again. Okay. Oops. Raul, dribbling the ball. Number 24, pass to number 10. No basket. Push. 3 points. 3. Oh, no basket. Good.
Lumalayo eh.
Again.
Yes.
Uy. No basket again. Again. It's okay, no warm up. Foul. Balik.
10-4.
Ariel. 3 points. No basket.
Sumusobra to isa.
Viva Max basket. 6-10. Nice. 10-8.
Galing naman.
12-8. Free ball by Mariel. Pass to number 18. 3 points, no basket. Last touch. Jemisel, no good. Viva Max dribbling the ball. Coast to coast and drive. No basket.
Highlight.
Oop. Anticipate. Mariel anticipate the ball from Noel. Dribble. Pass to number 10. Shoot. No good. Raul fast break the ball. Number 10. No no good. Rebound by number 10 again. Shoot, no good again. Rebound. Color blue. Pass to number 18. Shoot, no good. Fast break by Raul to Jamison. Basket. 14-8. Mariel dribble the ball. Pass to number 10. Number 30. I mean. Pass to Mariel. Basket. 10-14. Basket. 16-10. 10, only 10. 16-10.
Kanina pa yun, hindi makashoot. Laro na, nilaro pa.
Dangerous.
Mahindra, you know what company, Marian?
Yes.
You in your company?
Yes.
Working, Pinay.
Pinay.
Oh.
In
What is his position, her position?
What? Position?
Ah. Operations manager?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. Raul.
Kala pa din.
Basket. Number 12. 12-16. Last touch. 16-12. 5 minutes remaining.
1 minute na nga lang.
Oh, 15 minutes already. 4. Very good.
Oh.
Foul. Foul.
Hoy. Alas ay, tama, alas 5. Bagay.
Eighteen, 12, last 1 minute.
Last.
Christian, no good. Foul. Three points.
Bawi tayo. Bawi tayo,
Bawi
second
tayo,
game. Lakas si Pupo.
Nakatamba lang. Tamba lang yun. Talaga. Tamba. Matris. Lagi ka nag-3 points eh.
Sablay lang.
Sabay lang. Hindi, may isa nga ata ang pumasok.
Perimeter yun. Medyo malayo.
Ayun nga,
Naapakan naman. Lagi ako nakaapak sa rin. Natawa ako sa sarili ko.
doon.
Natawa ako talaga sa sarili ko.
Sa inyo na sa
Ano? Pero nakita ko na.
Hindi namin nakita yun eh. Kaya lang eh. Yung ano nga, yung makbang.
Sana dinribble ko lang no, parang wala lang ano. Makalusot sana.
Noel!
Okay, game over.
Game over!